Hi ladies, I want to wear my hair up today, which I seldom do unless I just put it in a ponytail on top of my head. So we're going to see what I can come up with. I have this scarf. I wear a lot of scarves, or I used to, that matches the shirt, so I figured, why not? I'm feeling inspired. How y'all doing today? What's going on? What's happening in your life? How you feeling? How you doing? Are y'all happy today? I sure hope so, because you woke up this morning, God gave you the breath, and you have something to be grateful for. You exist. So right now, I just pulled a piece of hair from here, because even though I may use this. This is all creative, guys. I don't know how it's going to turn out. I'm giving my hair some extra fortification by I've just pulled a piece of hair randomly like here. So I'm just going to twist these for now. Got my hand in there. Right now I got this. Now wouldn't it be nice if I could just secure it somewhere and wear it up like this? Hell, and maybe I can, and maybe this is the time for me to do it. I'm grabbing some more hair here. Can you see what I'm doing? This is all a creative process. So you're going to take your hair and put your hands through your hair and do the same thing. Now right now I'm just going to wrap that third one that you saw me bring around. I'm just going to wrap that right through the trail that I initially pulled it out of. Because I got this. Oh, what y'all think? I see you. Okay. And now it's just a few hairs that I have pulling, right? So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to pull it around this side. And you see this hair is inside the ponytail. Let's call it a ponytail, guys. I'm old-fashioned. You see this? I'm just going to pull these together. Look at that. I'm going to take my favorite tool. I keep telling y'all, this is my favorite doggone tool. These pipe cleaners, girl, they clean your pipes. They do all sort of stuff. Keep your hair looking good. You can get them, I think, in brown, too, which is probably the color I need. So I'm going through here, and I'm just going to use this to secure it. Now, this one is kind of long. Let me get this shorter one. I'm going to get a shorter one like this. I'm going to secure what you just saw me do with this. So I'm putting it in there. I have both ends out, and all I'm going to do is twist like that. Let's see if this gives me enough secure. Oh, y'all, it's tight too. Oh my God, this is the first time I've ever done this. What do y'all think? I like that, and that was pretty damn easy. That wasn't even supposed to be the thing. That just goes to show you, when you are fully present in the moment, you enter into the unified field, the infinite field, and everything becomes possible. When you plan too much, you get out of the flow, you get out of the harmony, okay? And then you mess up. Guys, life is a creative interplay of the present moment, the possibilities for the future, because you're actually creating your future in the present. So just go with the flow. Be in harmony. Now, this is a style, guys. I will wear this out of the house. I don't even think I want to take this down. This is my first time doing this, and I really like this. It's feminine. It can be sexy when you're going out, throwing a pair of heels, whatever. I like this. Okay, I'm going to stop the video. This is the first time I have a 3-minute and 40-something second video almost, guys. Okay, let's check out the back. I guess we could have left a little something out there. I don't know if y'all can see the back, and if it looks crazy, it's about the front anyway. Let's see, ladies. What do y'all think? I probably could leave a little something down there. I think I like this. And it's cool. It's really cool. Y'all gotta tell me what y'all think, because this was totally organic. If you don't like it, that's fine. I don't need to know. This is a funny thing, y'all. I was watching some videos over the last few days, and I see where people don't like a video, right? Like, there's this chick, or there are these women who go on there and sacrifice their time. They give charity. That's the way I look at it. And they do these videos, and there are people. The video to me is great. Like, even if I didn't like the hairstyle, or I didn't like something about what was going on in the video, I say to myself, who the hell would give this a thumbs down? So y'all got to tell me, what does thumbs down mean? I thought to myself, what crackhead would give this a thumbs down, this chick's video? Look at it. What could they possibly have a problem with? She's giving them a hairstyle. If they don't like it, move on. But then I said, well, maybe thumbs down means that hairstyle doesn't work for me. Maybe thumbs down means different things to different people. So y'all let me know. But I don't know. Then maybe that way I won't take thumbs down. I won't internalize it. Maybe I'll understand what it means. But I gotta say, y'all, I really like this. Look at that. And we could kind of, let me do something else creative in the present moment. Of course, we're past 5 minutes. We can already stop. Bye.